The iPad mini has always been the rebel of the Apple family. It's the device that shouldn't exist according to the critics, yet it's the one device that people refuse to let go of. But as we move into 2026, something has changed. Apple isn't just making a small tablet anymore. With the iPad mini 8, they are creating what can only be described as a pocket-sized monster. If you've been waiting for the perfect moment to upgrade, or if you've been wondering why Apple has been so quiet about their smallest iPad, the wait is officially over. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The leaks coming out of Cupertino aren't just whispers. They are a declaration of war on every other small-form device on the market. Imagine a device that fits in your jacket pocket but has more raw processing power than the MacBook Pro you bought 3 years ago. Imagine a screen so fluid and so bright that it feels like you're touching the pixels themselves. This is the iPad mini 8, and it is about to break the internet. For years, Apple gave the mini the leftover parts. They gave it older chips, older screens, and slower charging. But the mini 8 is different. This is the first time Apple is treating the mini like a pro device without calling it one. They've realized that the people who use the mini, the pilots, the doctors, the hardcore gamers, and the digital nomads, don't want a budget device. They want the best technology in the world, just smaller. Let's get into the soul of this machine, the A19 Silicon. We are looking at a 3-nanometer architecture that defies the laws of physics. The power-to-thermal ratio on this chip is so efficient that the iPad mini 8 can run at peak performance for hours without getting hot in your hands. This is crucial because the mini has always struggled with heat due to its small size. Not anymore. With the A19, you're looking at a 40% jump in GPU performance. If you are a gamer, this is your dream. We are talking about console-quality gaming, ray tracing, and high frame rate action on a device you can hold with one hand. This isn't just for Candy Crush. This is for the next generation of AAA titles that Apple is bringing to the ecosystem. But the screen is where the real magic happens. For years, mini fans have complained about jelly scrolling and the 60 Hz limitation. Apple heard you. The iPad mini 8 is finally, officially, moving to a 120 Hz promotion display. But they didn't stop there. The rumors suggest a switch to tandem OLED technology, the same mind-blowing tech found in the latest iPad Pro. This means blacks that are perfectly deep and a peak brightness that will let you edit photos in direct sunlight at the beach. Once you see promotion on an 8.3-inch canvas, you can never go back. It makes every scroll, every swipe, and every Apple Pencil stroke feel like it's happening in real time. It's not just an upgrade, it's a revelation. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon, Apple Intelligence. In 2026, AI isn't just a buzzword. It's the way we interact with our tech. The iPad mini 8 is being built from the ground up to be the ultimate AI companion. With a dedicated neural engine that is twice as fast as the previous generation, this iPad will be able to transcribe meetings in real time, generate images in seconds, and act as a personal assistant that actually understands context. Because the mini is the device you always have with you, it becomes the primary interface for your digital life. It's small enough to take to a coffee shop, but smart enough to manage your entire workflow. Connectivity is another